What you see here today is an aerial drone competition where students will be focusing on teamwork skills, piloting skills, autonomous flight skills, and communication skills, all while flying these Co-Drone EDUs on these courses.
The educational part of this, obviously, it's all within the STEM field, but what they're learning is basic aerodynamics, so they understand how the actual drone flies, but they're also learning programming and coding. And they learn a lot in the field of aerodynamics, drone development, and engineering.
I'm the pilot. Some things that the pilot does is I do skills, and knowing how to fly a drone can be very useful for real-world applications.
I think that this competition allows a lot of people to recognize the fact that there are a lot more opportunities than people think of. It just puts me in the mindset of just like being able to prepare for a future, especially as the world grows more technologically advanced.
Jobs for these kind of students are going to vary, and there's so many out there for them. For example, the REC Foundation, one of their biggest sponsors is NASA, because NASA understands that a lot of their exploration is going to have to be done with drone technology and drone programming.
I think it's amazing that I've been able to get this chance. Not many people get the chance to do this, and I feel so happy that we were able to do this, and I am so glad that we could be part of this next evolution to go into the future